everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another reaction. The reaction is the 10 famous international Somali people. Is the businessman, actors, rapper, and so many people. Is model, actress. If you really like this video, this list, so make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share it, friend. You are watching the reaction video, and my name is Nav. So I'm from India. So let's check out and subscribe and share. Wow, Somali top 10. Wow, businessman, woman from Somalia. Wow, woman, one of the richest people of Somalia. Okay, number 9, Aman. Wow, Aman, an actress, entrepreneur, and fashion and model. Wow, international model and actress. Nice. Kenan, number 8, artist. He come to the limelight with his green flags hit in 2010. Wow, wow, she's beautiful. Alicia Boy, Hollywood actress. Amazing. Wow, Somali Hollywood actress. Wow guys, so beautiful. I like it. Number 6, Muhammad Gul, founder, fund transfer company in Dubai, guys. Wow. Number 5, Sherry, Swedish rapper. Wow, Somali Swedish rapper. Wow, nice. Oh, nice. Next time I react to this girl, okay? Somali Swedish rapper. Ismail Ahmad, founder of World Remerge. Biggest money transfer platform. Wow, nice. Wow, fashion model Halim Aden, number 3. Wow, from Somalia, international model from Somalia. Wow, nice. Look beautiful. Oh, I like this. In black dress, guys. Oh, magazine. Oh, number 2, Burkhan FD, actor, Hollywood actor. Wow, he's the villain, right? Wow. Oh, looks so scary. Villain. Nice. Okay, number 1, politician from America, Somalian American. She's USA. She is the first Somali American, the first citizen of the the icon both and the first movement and color holder. Yes. Wow. Okay guys, I really enjoy it and I really shocked. This is the 10 famous international people from Somalia. So must subscribe this video and must like if you really enjoy this video from Somali. They are Somali person, they are really famous. You are watching now reaction video and my name now and I am from India. So love you all. So let's take care and bye bye.